In this interactivity, we will describe catalytic cracking. Catalytic cracking of alkanes can be conducted in the lab. This tube over here is a boiling tube with mineral wool at the end of it. So here we have mineral wool. The mineral wool is soaked in a liquid hydrocarbon containing a mixture of long alkanes. And here we have pieces of a broken porcelain, which will act as a catalyst. Actually, the liquid hydrocarbon is soaked into mineral wool to prevent it from running along the inside of the boiling tube. So this is the setup that we will use. Now we will start heating. So we will turn the Bunsen burner on. So now the catalyst and the alkane are heated, and as the alkanes boil, the vapor passes over the hot catalyst and the cracking takes place. The cracking reaction produces ethene gas, which is collected in the second tube as the water in the trough is displaced. Actually, shorter alkanes are also produced, and these condense and float on the water. They are colorless and can't easily be seen. So let's observe again. Here we have mineral wool, which is soaked with liquid hydrocarbon. The liquid hydrocarbon contains long alkanes, and here we have pieces of a broken porcelain, and they will act as a catalyst. We will start heating, and then the alkane will boil, and the reaction will take place over here. Ethene gas, which is produced, will be collected over here, so it will replace water. Now we will use bromine water. So a small amount of bromine water, Br2 in water, is added to some of the ethene gas produced. As ethene is shaken with the bromine water, the orange-red color of bromine disappears. And this is because alkenes decolorizes bromine water. So this is an evidence for the presence of ethene gas. So let's watch it again. So now ethene gas is collected, and then we will add bromine water, which has a brown-orange color, and we will shake, and we will find that the gas decolorizes the bromine solution, and this confirms that the gas collected is an alkene, which is ethene.